Let's get back to business. All right, guys, we're not just in WhatsApp. We're in WhatsApp business. We're business people, business everything, right? Okay, so in the so you should have your WhatsApp business account now transferred from your regular one, so seamlessly to move forward, or you registered a new one. That should be good to go, guys. You even can, if you want at this point, have downloaded the desktop version of WhatsApp. If you want to download the desktop version, by the way, you just go to whatsapp.com and click download. Follow the instructions, and then you'll see it here. And then when you log in, it'll just ask you to link to your phone, follow the instructions, hit OK on your phone, and your business account will propagate accordingly. It'll just link up and sync up and be good to go. Good to go, guys. All right. So now that that's done, it's time to really get down to business. We want to get this credential. How do we get the credential? And we want specifically the credential with that account. Well, I'm glad you asked. You're in the right place, obviously, because you're taking this course. We want to go next to, I'll put this here in the spotlight, business.facebook.com. So not just facebook.com, we're going into, notice how the base URL is business. So this is going to enter business mode of facebook.com. It's going to ask to connect to your account. If you never created a business account, then you want to create one. You want to connect it with your Facebook. So you need to have a Facebook account. If you don't have a Facebook account, you need to make a Facebook account. Pause the video and do that. Then you want to connect it. And if you have an Instagram account, you can connect it. And I'm going to actually move to Safari because I already have connected it on there. And you should be now in your business account. And from your business account, what you want to do with Facebook, and again, if you've never made a Facebook account, that's pretty wild, but it'll take 2 seconds. Just make a fake account, do it quickly, go to facebook.com, make an account. Now that you have, your email and your Facebook linked up and your business account set up, the last thing you need to do is hook up, and this is all free to do, by the way. You're basically just hooking up everything you need in order to access the cloud-like features that make you a super powered version of a regular user. You're no longer a regular user, you're a business user. So now you can actually do cool stuff. You want to hook it all up, and from this home dashboard, you want to click on settings. And if you open up this accounts here on the left, you should see WhatsApp accounts. And if I click on WhatsApp accounts, I already have connected my WhatsApp account. I can see it here. But what you want to do is click on add. It's going to ask for your phone number. That's the phone number that you've linked with your WhatsApp account, right? The business account or the regular account should be the same number, most likely. And you want to put that number in, click on continue, and then it's going to pop up. You're going to see that you have successfully connected your WhatsApp account, okay? And that's the win. We're going to stop here because we have to continue cutting through these weeds. And I don't want to do too much right away because it's going to get annoying. So we want to get through all this annoying stuff first. But stop there. Now you hook this up. Take a shot of whiskey if you're of the appropriate age and you like to do that sometimes. But if not, do a shot of ginger or a shot of apple juice. Celebrate accordingly. I'm having delicious coffee. That's me. Maybe you want delicious coffee. In the next lesson, though, we're going to continue to basically move through this overly complicated Facebook system to just get some credentials set up. We've done the work now on the business side so that our account is visible and connected. Now we need to move to the developer side to get those credentials. All right, and you want to leave this tab open as well. So whenever you're ready, I'll see you in the next lesson where we can now grab those credentials. I'll see you there.